Worth buying. So amazing this washing machine is. And actually I've put myself into so much survey before actually buying it. I've searched in on Google and got to know this is 7th rank in best washing machine list. I'm happy to have this machine. Where I live it has a problem of hard water, due to which my last automatic washing machine got totally damaged. Now I've got this beauty. Beautiful color, nicely shaped body. And user-friendly though easy to use. Timely delivery by Amazon. Indeed a happy client. Samsung is better than Whirlpool. Very good product I have received. Nice washing machine and easy to use. Value for money. Good quality. This is a recommended washing machine in this budget segment. Cleans and dries clothes very well. The wash tray provided is useful too. Overall a good value for money machine for family with at most 5 members, if using daily. Only one thing that is a bit weird is that you can't switch off the buzzer alert, it will always be on and will buzz in rinse mode. I hope to somehow switch off that buzzer cause it may irritate someone sleeping while you are using the machine. Other than that no issues encountered. Awesome product with best price. Very nice. It's a good product. Go for it. Good quality. Worth to buy. Easy to use. It's awesome in this price. This product is really great. The semi-automatic machine is easy to use as my family members are pretty much used to it. The machine handles heavy load exceptionally well, it is easy to move around as it is not heavy, and the overall operations are very easy. Great product, worth it, and also a great delivery experience from Amazon as well. Click link in description for more reviews.